With a valuation of $455.2 billion in 2023, the gig economy is no longer an underdog in the business landscape. Instead, it has become the primary income source for many people. A gig is anything you're paid to do, from something as simple as mowing someone's lawn to more complicated tasks like making a website or writing a college application essay. One way to find gigs is to knock on every door in your neighborhood and ask them if they need a helping hand. Even the thought of that is tiring and time-consuming, so let's skip it. Next, we have gig platforms, where you can find gigs in your locality and all around the world. Here's a rundown of some of the best gig platforms for aspiring gig workers. 8 best gig platforms. Let us preface this section by saying that all these platforms are not equal. Some are specific to a niche, while others are versatile. Choose accordingly. Number 1. Fiverr. If you've been on the web long enough, you must have heard about Fiverr. It started as a platform where you could get things done for a $5 or $5, but it quickly became a top-tier site where you can find gigs worth hundreds of dollars. The services you can provide on Fiverr fall under the following categories: graphics and design, music and audio, programming and tech, digital marketing, business, writing and translation, lifestyle, data, video and animation. Before you start working on Fiverr, know that the platform takes a 20% cut of your earnings as a commission. Earning potential. It depends on the service you provide and the number of hours you work. Some people are even making a 6-figure income through Fiverr. Number 2. Upwork. Fiverr and Upwork are often mentioned together due to the sheer size of both platforms. The categories on Upwork include accounting and consulting, admin support, customer service, data science and analysis, design and creative, engineering and architecture, IT and networking, legal, sales and marketing, translation, web, mobile and software development, writing. Depending on your preferences, you can do fixed price or hourly work on Upwork. The platform takes 10% of your earnings as a commission. Earning potential. It's the same as Fiverr. Number 3. TaskRabbit. We picked TaskRabbit for people who don't want to work remotely. The platform has local gigs that gig workers called taskers can do in their free time. All you have to do is create a profile and get started. The gigs can be anything from cleaning someone's house to mounting a TV. Since the gigs are local, you'll have to travel to the client's location. The more good reviews you collect, the higher your chances of getting repeat work. Earning potential. Gigs on TaskRabbit start from around $50 and go up to $150 or more. The amount you earn at the end of the month will depend on the number of gigs you've done and how complex they are. Number 4. FlexJobs. FlexJobs has been around since 2007 and provides a host of online job options for people with different backgrounds. The platform has an extensive screening process to eliminate scammy ads and repetitive postings. Besides jobs, the platform also connects you to career advice articles, expert skills tests, checklists, and a paid membership. If you get the membership, you will get discounts on resume reviews and career coaching. Earning potential. It depends on whether you do gigs or long-term jobs. Most of the gigs on FlexJobs are high-paying with excellent benefits. But if you're looking for better earning potential, then long-term jobs would be the way to go. Number 5. 99 Designs. As the name gives away, 99 Designs is catered for designers. If you're a graphic designer or website developer, you can work here. Some of the popular categories on the platform are web page design, business cards, brand guides, logo design. Earning potential. 99 Designs offers clients design packs with different components like business cards and logos. The pricing for each pack is different. Number 6. Jobble. Jobble is sort of like TaskRabbit, except that it has more formal jobs. You can find gigs in the following categories: hospitality, transportation, general labor, health, event staffing. If you're not a huge fan of handyman gigs, then this is the platform for you. Earning potential. Depending on your skill set and the type of job you're looking for, you can make anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour. Number 7. Guru. Not everyone enters the gig space to do small jobs. You might already be thriving in your full-time career, but want to make some extra money on the side with your professional services. That's where Guru comes in. Guru connects talent professionals with clients in the following categories: programming and development, legal, education and training, engineering and architecture, business and finance, sales and marketing, administration and secretarial, writing and translation, design and art. Guru has paid memberships that you can get to boost your visibility and open up new job opportunities. Earning potential. Guru can make you good money, provided you find the right clients. You can earn $1,000 or more per month. Number 8. Care. If you have experience in pets or babysitting, you can make a few $100s monthly on Care. The platform connects you with people who need someone for senior, child, and pet care. According to Indeed, childcare providers on Care earn about $21.20 per hour, while babysitters and nannies make $20.96 hourly. Other jobs on the platform include housekeeper and house cleaner. Earning potential. Housekeeping jobs are about $15 per hour, while care-related ones are about $20 per hour. Senior care jobs might be a bit lower, but they're still lucrative. When it comes to gig work, you can either do it remotely or find work near your area. It all comes down to your comfort level and commute options. So, before you start your next gig, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.